Hello, Miss Seward here, and I want to show you some things about submitting your artwork using your portfolio in Buzz. So let's get started. Just a few notes. When you are submitting your Buzz artwork or any other artwork for your Westminster Virtual Art class, you're going to please put your artwork in your portfolio. Label your artwork something like this, line 101, that matches the activity that the artwork goes with, and tell me in the Buzz submission the number of slide to look at and submit it in the correct spot on Buzz, and I will show you all of that. And remember that you can get to all the information and how-to videos from the Create Your Portfolio slides. I have those linked all over our slideshows, and there's all kinds of information and videos helping you with whatever you need to do, and I will add this video to the very last slide. So when you are ready to submit your work from Buzz, first of all, let's scroll down and see, how do you know what Buzz wants you to submit? So we're still in Module 1 line, but this would apply to any of the modules, right? So I'm going to look here in 101 line to find the activity and the assignment. So as we've talked about before, there are different studio times throughout the whole assignment and throughout this whole activity, but where to find what assignment you're turning in is on the very final page of the activity. It will say, what is my assignment? And depending on your level, it will tell you what the activity is and what the assignment is. Sometimes it's completing something you've worked on throughout multiple steps. So in this case, this is something that you've worked on throughout multiple studio times. Not all of the studio time pieces necessarily get turned in every time, but if you make work in the earlier things and it's saying you don't have to turn those in, but you're proud of them, go ahead and add them to the slide. Just label it with that. But you only have to turn in what it's asking you here. Remember, we've talked about this before. Ignore the rubrics, so you will follow the steps to complete the art project. And then at the bottom of every last page is a lesson wrap up. Lesson wrap up. Ooh, that's a tongue twister. Lesson wrap up. And this has the instructions for how to finish, right? You read the lesson, complete the activities in the lesson, complete and save the assignment, this assignment it's talking about on the page, and submit your work to 101 line. So when you're ready, you'll go here to the next activity, which is the 101 line submission. And now I'm going to go to my portfolio. And you see how I've been working on my portfolio. A couple notes about portfolio. If you see comments, or you can open comments here and see comments from L. Seward or Laura Seward, then you know that I have seen and graded your portfolio. If you don't, you can check by clicking share and see if you see one or both of these email addresses, it means that you have shared it with me and I will get to grading it as soon as possible. And see, I've been working on my portfolio. I was inspired by your awesome portfolios to customize mine a little bit more and add some more information. And now here on slide 5, I've added one of the activities, one of the drawings. I think this is for level 3 for their gestural sketch. And so you see I've labeled it here line 101. If you want to get fancy, you can name what it is and put a date, but minimum requirement is line 101, somewhere near that artwork. And I'm going to make a note. Okay, it's on slide 5. Now I'm going to click share, click copy link, go back over to Buzz, click into the submission box, right click, which is 2 fingers on a Chromebook tapped on your pad, click paste. And then all you have to do is click space or the enter and return key. And please type and tell me what slide I am to look at. And then you will click submit my work, and that will turn it into me. I will then be able to go to your portfolio and see your awesome artwork. I will give you feedback and a number score in Buzz, and then I will give you your score in Empower as well. Can't wait to see your artwork.